The Neolithic or New Stone Age from 7000 to 1000 BC saw the advent of food production, agriculture and animal husbandry independently in different parts of the world. It is believed that a combination of climate change, demographic pressure and different cultural and technological strategies triggered this massive change. Necessity is the mother of invention, goes the old saying. Food production too, if seen in this context, can be said to have evolved out of necessity. The first person who gave us a proper idea of how food production began was Gordon B. Childe. The term Neolithic Revolution was coined by Gordon Childe to emphasize on the progress that happened during the Neolithic period. The progress from a hunting-gathering to food-producing economy and the consequent growth of farming communities and settled village life. With the beginning of agriculture, people started settling down in one place. Sedentism, a key feature of the Neolithic, proof of agriculture comes from remains of charred seeds of domesticated plants and that of animal domestication from the bones and teeth of animals showing significant morphological changes. Neolithic households normally lived in built huts of mud, reeds, logs, stones, or withies plastered with clay. For assistance in such activities, they manufactured a greatly large assortment of specialized tools. Archaeologists take the polished stone axe as the hallmark of Neolithic equipment. Unlike the lighter and sharper tools of the Paleolithic and Mesolithic, the Neolithic toolkit was composed of heavy ground and polished tools. Chisels, saws, adzes, sickles, pestles, mortars, grinders and pounders and stone axes, bone tools for harvesting wild or domestication of plants and animals. Mortars and pestles were used for grinding grains, whereas saws were used for tilling and digging the ground. Pottery invention of wheel and crafts like spinning, weaving and bead making reveal both the skills and exchange networks of Neolithic people. Sites. The earliest evidence of agricultural life based on wheat, barley, cattle, sheep and goat in the subcontinents come from the site of Mehergarh on the bank of the Bolan River in the Kutchi plain of Balochistan. It is an aceramic level with stone tools consisting of polished axes, chisels, querns and microliths, and bone tools comprising awls, needles, etc. The Neolithic character of the site can be gleaned from bones of cattle, sheep and goats indicating their domestication, as also the bones of water buffalo, which is the earliest instance of the domestication of this animal in the subcontinent. Evidence of plant domestication comes from the charred seeds of wheat and barley, as also Indian jujube and dates. The beginning of sedentism is evident from foundations of mud brick houses and small cell-like compartments which might have been used for storage of grains. Evidence of the North Indian Neolithic cultures comes mainly from the Kashmir Valley and is represented by a large number of sites above the floodplains of River Jhelum. The two principal sites of the area are Bujho and Gufkral, northeast and southeast of Srinagar respectively. The Neolithic people of Bujho, beginning with period first around 2700 BC, lived in circular or oval-shaped lakeside pit dwellings and subsisted on a hunting and fishing economy, being familiar also with agriculture. If you want to know any other thing in Indian history, please leave it in the comment box so that I can come back with it. If you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.